I'm going to do a quick review and demonstration on the cutting knives on the Klein Tools heavy-duty wire strippers. Once again, these were sent to me for free by Klein Tools along with other incentives as part of the Klein Crusaders program. Looking at the knives, they're very similar to those found on the Klein Kurve Romex strippers. So if you're familiar with those, then there's not much new or different on the heavy-duty wire strippers. Quick demonstration here. I've got a small piece of 14-2 Romex, no problem there. Number 12 Romex, cuts it very easy. Then I've got 2 strands of number 10 solid copper. Doesn't have any problem cutting that either. I'm pretty pleased with how these work. They cut through copper with no problem, and I think you guys will like them. Thanks for watching.